In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off maintenance mode on your Big Cartel dashboard. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or you're making adjustments to your setup, it's important to know how to manage your site's availability efficiently. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is the main hub of your online store management, where you can handle everything from product listings to order management. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of the page. Here you'll see a menu with several options. You're going to want to click on Account. By doing this, you access a variety of settings that pertain to your overall store preferences and functionality. Now that you're in the account settings, scroll down the page until you come across the section labeled Shop Design. This is an essential area because it's where you can customize the look and feel of your shop, making sure it represents your brand just the way you want it to. But today, we're focusing on something specific within this section, the maintenance mode setting. When you enable maintenance mode, your store essentially goes on pause, making it inaccessible to customers while you make important updates or changes. It's a handy feature, but you'll want to ensure it's turned off when you're ready to welcome visitors. So, you'll want to find the maintenance mode option and click on it. Once you've clicked maintenance mode, check the status setting. It should show that it's either on or off. Your goal here is to make sure it's set to off, meaning your shop is open for business and available to your customers. If you find that it's currently set to on, simply switch it to off. And just like that, your store is out of maintenance mode and ready to go. Whether you're launching a new line of products or simply opening your virtual doors to the world, it's critical to ensure your site is accessible. An open and functioning online shop is key to providing a seamless experience for your customers. After following these steps, take a moment to check your storefront from a customer's perspective. Make sure everything is displaying correctly and functioning as it should. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off maintenance mode on your Big Cartel account, paving the way for your customers to shop without any barriers. Remember, managing your store's status is crucial to maintaining smooth operations and ensuring customer satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!